Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside the world. Wazobia Max HF 57, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We then discuss the one when we say the Minister for Labour and Productivity, Dr. Chris Ngige, come and talk say make banks and other insurance institutions make them stop to the sack people. Say this thing reach to put more problem inside Obodo Nigeria. Before Nkubi call for that emergency break to rescue himself from the question when I ask, I go still throw this question back to them.
That
Nkubi,
break was not.
why are we seeing massive
an emergency break?
Not in Nigeria today.
Emergency break. That break was
why?
It was
Echo Bank over 1,000. Diamond Bank self don't sack. Other banks they prepare them some people when they sack. They go sack. Join waiting they see for this country. Scarcity of tomato, bag of rice 18 to 21,000 naira. You want to sack for a liter of fuel 145 naira. People are still living big politicians, Abuja people, money spending, ballers, and you are sacking people. How do you expect Nigerians to survive? What is going on? No, tell Nigerians, answer the question. Stop shining your eye. Torchlight. You are shining your eyes. We shall. Is this the job you people promise to create? Person when they struggle, when I don't sack her. Okay. Oh yeah. All of oh yeah now. No, answer.
Anyway, to me, Chukudi, this is not for you. This is for our viewers where they watch us right now. The statement where the minister come and can't talk, to me, for me, if I will talk, say, I don't see the essence because why minister will come and talk say I won't use the word one. They tell institutions, bank institutions, so make no sack staff on top of what grant. The question is, what have you been? How well have you been able to define our economy? See how I'm not going to use the word crumble, but see the pockets of challenges where the economy they get. If the economy is very very agile, may I use that word agile, strong. At least no bank or no company will decide to say he won't sack anybody. Ask yourself, what have you put in place to ensure that the economy is strong, rather than say make the tell a particular company to make the no sack. On top of that, now you open the company for them.
You could be clear for yourself. For this contribution where you don't make today, I really don't say you go church on Sunday. I agree say you go church on Sunday.
Young man.
I can't believe that you can ask such a question.
Please, excuse me.
Before you gonna do like this, you gonna do like this, they do like this.
Please. Why going in the first place? Why was me I clap for myself?
Because you have said for the first time in 2 years, you have spoken the truth.
See you.
Yes.
Look at your mouth.
Yes.
You said the same thing a couple of weeks back. Say for the first time, I don't talk through. You said it like 1 month back. Say for the first time.
I said it a couple of weeks back. I said it 1 month back. Give us date.
No, but
no.
Let's go back to record.
You see, because every date when they talk, we not sure.
Chukwu, why they relate everything they talk
is the truth.
The present government?
I said it 1 month back. Oh yeah, give us date. I said it a few weeks back. Give us date. You pay 5,000. Give us date.
What is wrong in what I have said? Say, the minister.
$1, 1 naira. Give us date. 40 naira per liter. Give us date. Fuel available. Give us date.
Okay, don't do.
You don't do now. Now you don't say don't do.
Don't do.
Who could be? How you take? And a verse.
But going by, if you also listen to some of the distance, some of the companies.
My body don't shake.
Hey, please. If you still, let it look. Listen, Chukwu, if your body shake, let it shake for your pocket. No, bring and come meet me. See, even our viewers say they watch us, no say this thing don't reach this level. But then, if they shake, what do you want me they can't do?
Because it's in the pay me, I make my body shake.
Me when look myself finish, they talk this matter, you don't pay me.
Your own don't pass shake, your own vibrate. If you fall down from this shake, nobody will carry you.
Vibrate even was fast shaking.
Because you're the first time now. See my own is natural, see my leg as they shake. You they do like this. If you fall down, nobody will carry you up.
Me they force my vibrating.
They force your vibrating. You won't even cut off the scratch. Me. You think they we don't know how you they do. Since election finish, you begin to wear suit. You go confess to Nigerians. All these things where they happen. Sacking people. What have we done?
What have I done to deserve
What
this?
have Nigerians done to deserve all this sacking?
No, Nigerians have not done anything. That is why we should be holding the right people responsible.
Oh, yeah, Uncle, hold him.
I don't talk. What you want me to talk?
What you talk?
I've made the references to the minister himself.
So
the minister put your house in order before they come. They tell a particular person say that their business. They know where they buy them to make their conduit. Make them no sack. Okay.
Thank you.
Provide. In fact,
Nkubi, see. Let me give you an analogy. Analogy
of waiting.
See, economy. Now, waiting be those indices or indicators or factors when we allow economy to flourish.
To grow a lot.
We know say policies of government,
Policies.
security,
Enabling environment.
power,
Which is primary.
Thank you.
Companies where they live for here, where they relocate from here to other countries. Are we happy about it?
The time when those companies they come out, wetin we do, e be like to us, e don't be like problem. Now we gonna say don't sack people, don't sack people, don't sack people. You see they chop chicken, don't sack people. You see they chop turkey, they drink wine. You dey fresh, you dey fresh, you dey fresh. People they suffer. Who could be blaming anything? You don't understand you don't understand the enormity.
I understand the enormity. I understand the enormity of the issue they talk about.
Why you gonna talk like say na small something?
How else want me to talk about?
How you go pay school fees? How you go pay house rent? How you go take care of your children? That's what we are saying. Minimum wage, see 18,000, bag of rice, 21,000. Minimum wage, see 18,000, basket of tomato. People don't begin to share cabin biscuit and pop for wedding now because jollof rice no they ready again.
That one even better self. I hear you get one particular event. This one I talk say anybody they come my wedding, no even bother, say one can do it, one can chop price. Because all these other products, spaghetti products, and all this things, don't they available?
Thank you.
That one is affordable.
Under a government of change.
If you offer that, you know, great job. That is your
under a government of change.
Which is, it is bad. It has gotten that far. It is very, very terrible. So please, Minister, I go stay.
Who could be stop putting please in the excuse no.
Let me say.
Now that please when you talk, now you even the best me. People when we vote for,
don't do now.
You are begging them to do what?
And the Minister of Labour.
Stop bringing your voice down. Say it the way it is.
How is one man say that? Am I not saying it enough?
Why are you bringing your voice down?
No, never reach to convince anybody who I talk to.
Convince. You should be saying it the way it is. Not be say minister.
Okay, borrow me
you
voice.
Shout for me.
No, borrow me voice.
Why I go borrow your voice? Is it not your talk? Is it not your talk?
Let me assume you are my director here.
I can't do
Tell me how I will do it.
Your talk is your talk. Say your talk.
No. You have foreseen it. Say I know they talk and well.
If na me, you go to raise voice.
Give me an instance on how I will talk.
If na Chukudi, you go to raise voice because I'm not a minister.
Because our listeners they go the same page.
Because it's Chukudi, I'm not a minister.
But
you
right
raise
now,
voice.
they even talk
Talk to minister now. You dey bring your voice down. Please,
Chukwuda,
minister, please.
When I started the whole talk, what did I take start with?
You dey bring your voice down. I'm suspecting you. Paul, they call us from Aja.
They bring my voice down.
Today, you will see. Oga Paul, good morning.
You will see
first before I see.
No, you will see.
Hello, good morning, Oga Kubi and Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Paul.
Oga Paul, I'm not happy, but I go greet you.
No, I'm not a happy man.
No problem.
Oga Chukudi. Happy.
Oga Chukudi.
Oga Paul, I greet you.
You know what happened? I called the last time. I tell Oga Kubi, may mention the time they want to pay us our 5,000.
Thank you.
The minister of Labour where they talk, say they no sack. In the Switzerland or Geneva, they they talk make no sack. Which factory end up produces the entire office?
Thank you.
Now, for the past 1 year, with the year corruption, nothing where they don't feel do. So stop sacking, no go bring job. Now, Oga Chukudi, what he ask Oga Kubi, no say that list of names, that movie will be number 4. In the day with you. That's why no one talk me the call that.
Thank you.
Oga Paul, that what you call him?
May
Oga Paul, please. Before national TV, I beg, my hands are clean. My hands are clean. My name can never be on that list.
But all the same, Oga, tell your government.
Okay.
Provide solution.
Our government, that is why we are addressing the matter here.
Make them stop to the prolonged issues.
1 year don't go.
1 year don't go. So I beg them. You get direct contact, not be Chukudi. So I beg tell them because they know you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oga Paul, thank you very much for your contribution. Maybe you get their WhatsApp number. WhatsApp them. No, ping them now. Ping them. Follow them and discuss. Over 1,000 able-bodied Nigerians have lost their jobs.
The minister, when they even come and he said something, according to he talks say the sack would jeopardize the mediatory and process spearheaded by the ministry.
Supu.
Imagine.
Oyibo.
Which kind
jeopardize.
What he don't put in place in the first place? So he go talk say he go jeopardize this when I don't set up. What mean? What is the meaning of that?
Who could be? You should be answering that question.
No, I can't be answering.
No, you should answer that question.
So listen, now the minister talk. That is why they put on it. So make the minister say they hear. So the minister will feel as they will take address the matter.
Mr. Nkubi, let me put Mr. in front of your name. Mr. Nkubi.
No, I can never. No, for now I can never be a minister. No. If you put minister,
I don't say minister. I say Mr. Nkubi.
Okay, of course you were all minister.
Okay, in fact, Minister Nkubi.
No.
I want to give you promotion. No. I want to give you promotion.
No. We have them. No. Minister.
To me, you are the minister.
I feel be minister of God. Yes, I can accept that.
Okay, minister.
Minister of God.
Minister Nkubi now. Number one. We don't talk
ask me question where relate to the minister. What I do.
Exactly.
No ask me question where we say I don't get any.
Number one. We know say unemployment.
It is not related to my own ministry.
Wait now.
No, it is not related to my own ministry.
I never asked the question. You don't say it's not related to your ministry.
The black caller. Oga Charles from Ejibo.
You are using Charles to escape.
No, I'm not escaping. Oga Charles from Ejibo. Good morning. Good morning, Charles.
Good morning, sir.
We greet you, Oga Charles.
Right on.
Okay, sir. Oga Shikudi, this one where they talk every day. You know, say right now, nothing they happen for this state now.
But the talk what they talk, at least the talk go do it. You go feed at least and sure say at least.
Now you they talk to.
No, now your name is
no, now your name is
call. Now your name is call.
He said nothing is going on. We are not saying anything. No action. No action.
No actions. Wait, make the guy not born in credit. Would they hear you, Oga Charles?
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, would they hear you right on, Jare?
Good morning again. Help us talk to that man when they fight for corruption. Nothing they happen. Corruption today. People go die before corruption. Before our forefathers, they are alive. Corruption don't they? This one not be say corruption. Make it talk what you want to. Make it talk what you want happen before everybody go die.
Nobody go die, Oga Charles. Nobody will die. Me as the minister, anyway.
Nobody will die. Nobody will die.
The situation.
Nobody will die.
Don't do you now.
Promise people.
Don't do.
Promise.
Don't do.
He has promised. Now, that should be your anthem. He has promised. He will never fail. Promise. Promise. Promise.
Now.
No be una second name.
We'll get
promise.
Good
Nobody
morning.
will die. Nobody will die. They sack people. Nobody will die.
Oga Isibo, good morning. Isibo, good morning.
Mr. Kube, good morning.
Good morning.
Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Isibo. I'm not happy, but good morning.
You guys are doing a wonderful job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr.
But
Isibo.
this is talent at the highest level.
Yeah, would they hear you?
We appreciate you guys.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
Please, this issue we are having in this country
Oga
is
Isibo,
becoming
a quick one, I beg. If you bring down the volume of your television, I beg, because they hear it for the background.
Okay.
Okay, so
I think I'm sorry. Are you listening?
Yeah, would they hear you?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Okay. I think the situation in this country is becoming unbearable. People are dying. Things are getting out of hand, and they are playing it down. The Minister for Labour has not handled this issue very well. Sacking of people is not before now. Even there are some going on in private sector.
Yes.
Right now, majority at home, crime is on the increase. You won't believe
Crime is
it.
on the increase.
Families are having problems. Not going to school, no feeding, no nothing. And nobody's addressing it. Everybody's concerned about the president's seat. Who cannot be sick? Let those people on the ground do something for this country. Let these our past who call themselves patriotic Nigerians, the elder statesmen, come together. Let them do some charity to salvage this country. We are dying gradually. We are all going to take to the street. It's not only Niger Delta. There will be Lagos Delta, Edo Delta, Ikoyi Delta, everybody Delta, Edo Delta. Very soon.
As in the whole Delta. I will start that one. As in the whole Delta.
Chukudi Delta.
Chukudi Delta. He will not talk now. He will not talk.
Okay, Isibo,
You
right
see?
on.
You see?
Chukudi, please go easy on Ukuvi. Ukuvi,
I
it's
don't
okay.
understand myself.
You people have not named those that return money. Chukudi has been asking you, give us a list.
Well, the presidency, the office of the presidency don't release the money, the amount of money where they recover. But they call the talk, say the name, says make they still hold on pending.
And
So
please,
maybe we just assume say the
we are
pending
going
go
to
later
this your suit, you are probing it. Chukudi, we are probing that suit.
Thank you very much, Oga Isibo. I said
Thank
it.
you very, very much, Oga
You hear
Isibo.
what he talk? We are probing your suit. Your suit. All of a sudden, you are now a lover of suit. Lover of suit.
Chukudi.
Minister.
Please.
Minister.
Good morning. you see what it costs? You see what it... Okay, Emeka, good morning. Good morning, okay, Emeka.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukudi.
We dey hear
Please,
you.
Oga
We dey
Emeka.
hear you.
How was your night?
Fine, oh, we just dey. We dey try survive.
Yes, you go survive in Jesus'
Me, I
name.
don't even feel sleep because I dey think of all the sacking. I don't feel sleep.
Eh,
You even get mine to sleep.
You see, 1 year in office, they say they bring change. They no bring change, you reach health sector. Now, common ear disease, now they fly, go America. I'll be London, go treat. Where are we going? Where are we going? 1 year in office, they recover money. What did they use money do? We don't know. 1 year in office, no foundation is laid. No positive foundation is laid. Foundation is laid is foundation of hunger. Hunger. And you get what I hear yesterday, where shocked me. You know, they say as former governor, as former senator, House of Reps, say every year, and especially for governors, say every year, then they collect 30 million naira as a pension, yes. And these things, they say they are cutting down on greeting, on governance. They know they remember those ones. So now people where they work, where they do how much job,
And
where
they
they do
remember.
50,000, 20,000, 15,000, now they cut down on cost. Where are we going from here?
Okay, because now strong question you don't ask. And now the same question a lot of our viewers we don't call also ask. Where would they go from here? If we get a particular system where we say, rather a particular government where we say, before they enter power, they gave us a list of say they go do this, they go do this. It can't be like say somehow those promises or rather those things where they promise we never even they see any iota or any sign of it. Rather things they do it they decline. Make I borrow the word of Chukudi. They decline and they make life come day difficult. The question is, what do we ask ourselves as Nigerians go also do to ensure at least the right thing? We not say government go supposed to play their own responsibility. We as Nigerians, what we also need to do to ensure at least we hold government accountable for everything what they do. Because if you don't hold them accountable, this thing go they continue.
Person when no one make you hold am, you go feel hold am.
Chukudi will feel hold on.
How you want to hold am?
We feel hold on.
When he come to election, he sabi beg, he sabi use sweet mouth.
Collective
He sabi
voice.
use sweet mouth. Do what you promise, you no fit do am.
Good morning.
Hold him.
You don't.
We. We shall.
Look.
Hold him.
This we shall. We have to stop. Make it stop here.
You are threatening me.
I'll go, okay, good morning. Okay, from Lucky, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, okay. Talk to us, we dey hear you.
Oga Chukudi, we are saying the best pass the whole Nigeria.
The thing they pay me,
No,
because I'm speaking for Nigerians.
You carry Nigeria for head.
I'm speaking for Nigerians.
As if you no get Nigeria, they will dey vex. As if me and the vex. Okay, talk to
Chukudi, you say you don't collect money by suit now, so you're not supposed to vex too much.
You say?
You don't collect money by suit.
Where the money? Where you see the money?
See suit, we know what you they wear
Make
before
I
now.
no wear suit again.
We know as you they dress like opposition before. Now you don't they dress like winner, suit, champion. You win Champions League. You are wearing suit.
The recent...
Mr. Suitable, suit, coat, Alex Ferguson.
Wait, you are pointing no case credit. Let him talk to us. Talk to us, or go, okay, we dey hear you.
This country, now only God will feed direct us because everything don't scatter, it don't scatter.
No, everything no go scatter. You no go scatter.
If they don't even get plan for waiting they happen for this country at all. They don't get plan. Don't say they get plan. You know say things not dey alright. If you come, you need to put some like little way we say people will still get work. Now people don't get work before. You still call the sack more.
Call the sack.
They no sack. Why they not go sack? As
Exactly.
they not dey good. Why they not go sack?
How many companies we get here again? Most of them, some don't go Ghana, some don't run come.
Yes.
Most of the companies we do
Because
like
said the government failed to do what they're supposed to. Put the enabilities for ground where we say we're going to ensure their this thing, their stability, we're going to ensure their continuity.
We just pray for God intervention because this country now is getting maybe just goes down every day.
Okay. Thank you very much for your contribution. You don't hear what he talk. We pray for divine intervention. It don't reach the level where we say we declare fasting and prayer to solve our problem.
Me, I have done my own bit of my own fasting and praying, and that's still do and they go. Oga Jude, good morning. Good morning, Oga Jude.
John the Baptist, fasting and praying.
Chukudi, please. Would they hear you, Oga Jude? I beg, bring down the volume of your television, I beg. Because the situation don't red now.
Can you hear me now?
We can hear you. Continue.
Yeah, my brother. You see, this is why I tell our people, make una know they agitate for power. The question is that you agitate for power. Now they give you the power. The whole thing collapse for your hand. You are now busy, shifting blame that they have stolen the whole money, that this is not working, the other one is not working. But this is not what you promised us. We all know that all these things, you claim that they were not working before you assume office. And we expect that change to take effect.
Immediately you stepped in, yeah.
Now, 3 tomato is 500 naira in the market.
Not even 5 again.
I can't even, as I'm talking to you now, I don't remember when last I used tomato to cook in my house. Is this the change we are talking about? You see, actions speak louder than voice, they say. Stop all this. I don't believe all these jargons. They tell you this happened.
Oga Jude, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We appreciate them. When we go this break, come back, we'll go enter the next level. We know, say, if we continue in this particular direction, everybody they talk and say, this sack, he not go lead us to anywhere. Say make them stop the sack. He not go even fix up anything. Now, what we go fit do now? Like Nkubi don't talk, when go help us, go tell them all the things we don't agree here. What thing they go do to show up our economy and ensure say we begin the sea front. No go anywhere. We they come back. Mr. Suit. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.